Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Next chapter, playing the game martial arts. Martial arts are practiced for a variety of reasons like self-defense, competition, physical health and fitness, etc. Read the description and write the names of the martial arts. Take help from the given clues. Okay. First one, it is an Indian martial art form from Kerala. Moreover, it is one of the oldest fighting systems in existence, which include strikes, kicks, grappling, etc. Which one? Kalaripayattu. Second one, this Sikh martial art originated in the Punjab region and was used by the Sikhs for self-defense against the Mughal forces. Today it has evolved into a sport and is exhibited at Sikh festivals. Godka. Next. It includes a number of defensive fighting styles that have developed over the centuries in China. These fighting styles are often physical exercises involving animal mimicry. Which one? Kung Fu. Next, fourth one. It is an unarmed martial art from Varanasi. Techniques used in this combat art are punches, kicks and elbow strikes. Masti Yuddha. Fifth one. It is a Chinese martial art form consisting of a series of continuous steps aimed at balancing the positive and negative life forces. It employs slow, graceful movements. Tai Chi Chuan. Next, sixth one. This martial art style is a system developed in the region of Slovakia, Hungary and Israel for close combat. It is primarily a self-defense style aimed at disarming or overpowering an attacker in the fastest and safest possible method. Krav Maga. Next, traditional sports. Traditional sports and games form the backbone of a community. They are a part of our heritage and a symbol of the cultural diversity of our societies. They are also an effective way to convey cultural awareness and diversity. Read the description and write the name of the traditional sport. Okay. First one, it is a Korean board game usually played on the first day of Lunar New Year. 4 teams play with 4 sticks. The sticks are flat on one side and curved on the other. Yacht. It is a horse riding game. It used to be a war game of Ottoman Turks in Iran and Afghanistan. Jerry. It is a canoe race held in Nicobar Islands in which participants sit in the canoe with one leg on the ground and drive it with the force of their legs. Assault tail up. See figure given. Next. This traditional sport from Malaysia and Philippines is played with a cannonball on a badminton court. It can be played with any part of the body except the hands. Sepak takraw. This one. See here. Next. This traditional sport of Manipur is played by 2 teams of 7 players, each on horseback. Which one? Segor, Kanjei. Sixth one, this traditional Indian sport of the 12th century means gymnast pole, Malakham. This traditional Indian sport is played by teams of 9 players. The players try to avoid being touched by members of the opposing team. Kho-Kho. Eighth, it is one of the most popular sports in rural India. It is a recreational form of combat training. Kabaddi. Next, board games. Board games are simple ways for families to spend quality time together indoor. Chess, checkers, Monopoly and Scrabble are some popular board games. Read the description below and write the name of the board game. Take help from the given clues. First one. The objective of this game is to collect plastic wedges which fit into a wheel by going around the board and answering questions correctly. There are 6 categories of questions: history, geography, entertainment, arts and literature, science and nature and sports and leisure. Trivial pursuit. Question number 2. This is a detective board game set in a mansion where the guest has been murdered. There are 6 suspects, 6 suspected murder weapons and 9 rooms. Players have to guess all 3 to win the game. Cluedo. 3. This game is played by 2 players on a board with 8 rows and 8 columns. The playing pieces are discs with a light and a dark face, each side belonging to a player. The goal of a player is to have a majority of their colored pieces showing at the end of the game, turning over as many of their opponent's pieces as possible. That is Othello. Next. This is a 2-player strategy board game in which each player is represented by marbles of opposing colors. Players take turns pushing the marbles around the board with the goal of pushing 6 of opposite players' marbles off the board. Abalone. Next one. This is a game for 2 players. Each player has pieces which move among the board's 24 intersections. The player who reduces his opponent to 2 pieces wins. 9 men's mirrors. 9 men mirrors. Sixth one. This game is played on a cross-shaped board consisting of 33 points. Pieces are allowed to be moved from one point to another only along lines which joins points. There is 1 black or red piece and 15 white pieces. This one, fox and geese. I hope everybody note down the answers. Okay, study well. I will give the test paper in next video.